Well, out here on a Monday night, fishing off a small point. Decided to come out here and throw this giant swim bait. And my first fish, solid 15-incher. Good stout little fish. But we're going to enjoy the day fishing on the water. That's a giant swim bait. Well, I think I found what's down there. I think it's a school of small drum. I just saw a school of fish below me on my graph. And I was like, well, I'll drop shot over top of them and see what happens. Well, that's what happens. Right here. A little big drum. So below me right here, I've been finding nothing but schools of shad. I mean, they're just scattered everywhere below me. And my guess is it's the shad from the shad spawn have started to work their way out, and they're almost onto this point out here. And that's why I was able to drop shot that one and catch that one on the swim bait right here in this little nook on this point. But they're here. I know the shad are here, so the bass are somewhere to be found. And hopefully, if I find the sweet spot on this point, I can find their ambush spot. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'll try different depths with my crankbait, see if they're suspended or if they're down on the bottom. That one on the swim bait was probably 2 foot from the bottom, and he hit it when I jerked it, stopped it, jerked it again, he hit it. And I had another bite on it, tried to take it on my rod, but that was up there on that shallow flat, and he hit it pretty quick, so I know I was suspended. It is, 6 foot deep, but I was maybe only 3 foot down. So we'll just keep on playing around, see what happens, and just go from there. There's a good one. Got here. Now I know a lot of my videos I've talked a lot about my shaky heads and how I've had the fish hooked. Come on. And right up here, right on the top of the mouth, almost every fish. And the reason I'm talking about it so much is I started making my own. And these things are fantastic. And they produce fish like that. That's a solid keeper. Good 2.5, 2 3/4 pound fish, and healthy too. So let's let her go. There's some water back at me. Got myself another little chunk.